Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. Today I want to talk to you about why you shouldn't handle your IRS tax debt if you owe a lot of money. Now, I do this for a living. I've been doing this work for 52 years. I know, don't I look good? Yeah, I've been outside in private practice, I guess 43 years now. You should not be doing this work or representing yourself if you owe a lot of money, just for one reason. You can't make yourself look good, and you can't explain things that a tax professional can explain, because it's not that you're going to trip up. There are certain ways to polish certain things that you are not going to know about. I have a lot of people that call me, and lots of people. I've been doing this work for a long time, and they say, I talk to them, and they say, I think I'm going to try this by themselves. Some succeed, some don't. But it's called board is the play. Once you tell them something, that's in their history notes, so it's something that you really can't erase. But what you have to understand is both the vernacular and what IRS is trying to do with your case. So when a professional gets the case, the professional knows what the exit strategy needs to be. That is what's exactly going to happen to that case. You can't get it quick enough to work it, fix it, and make it work. You, on the other hand, will try, but there's some things you're never going to know because you don't know how to package the case right. At the end of the day, it's about packaging the case. It's about explaining off the things that don't look good in a way that IRS will accept them. So I would think it's about packaging. I'm just letting you know I'm talking out loud, and you got to let IRS know the things that aren't fitting. IRS immediately, when I was there, immediately would look, what doesn't make sense? You have to be able to explain the things that don't belong there and what doesn't make sense. Once you get around that, then you'll have success on the case. You cannot do that for yourself. So you can go around thinking you don't need representation, but the problem is you don't know what it's like to have good representation, just mediocre representation, because that's all you know. A true professional brings your case to a much, much higher standard. I've been doing this for a living, so if you're going to hire someone, it's not me, make sure they've been doing this a long time, because their expertise and experience will ride through the wind a lot easier. Anyway, if you need me, call me. There's tricks and secrets and insights that we have that nobody can ever have. Anyway, thank you for listening. I just told you the truth. Give me a subscription. I can tell you many things on your case you won't believe. Thank you.